Greetings to all from the team AgroPros. We are hereby leading the scene to make our globe green and clean. Agriculture, even small scale cultivation, is the mainstay of India's economy. Agricultural development is therefore a precondition of a national prosperity. India is agricultural country and agriculture and cultivation constitutes the largest sector of the economy. Majority of the population directly or indirectly depends on the sector. It contributes about 15.4% of GDP and accounts half of the employed labor force, and the agro-based products is responsible for 80% of the country's foreign exchange earnings as well. Execution of Internet of Things in agriculture sector has brought in a major development related to pest management, irrigation, and much more. Pests and rodents distress farmers as they feed on the farmers' efforts and infest the crops. Irrigation also need to be monitored. Mineral, mineral wealth of the soil needs to be monitored too. So we provide a solution to all. The moisture content in the land is detected by the amount of voltage it can conduct. Two rods with output 5 volt and another connected to analog pin is inserted into the land. When there is sufficient water content in the land, the value read from the analog pin is greater than 900. At normal conditions, Arduino continuously sends the moisture and the atmospheric temperature to the Blink app. When the water content drops below certain level, that is a threshold level that the user sets, a notification water level is critically low is sent to the app. If the button in the Blink app is turned on, then the water pump is turned on automatically. When this sufficient water is supplied, the water pump automatically turns off. But if the button is kept off, only the notification is sent and water pump is not turned on. In dry seasons, when there is no water to pump from the water table, or in rainy seasons where there is continuous rain, in these two situations, we can keep the blink button off so even when the water content goes down, the water pump is not turned on but only sends a notification that the water level is critically low. The user can always keep track of the water level and temperature and status of the water pump, and also the mineral sensor helps to analyze the minerals present and thus help finding the nutrients that the soil lack. Also help farmers to add appropriate fertilizer. We must also remember that plants do not feed on fertilizers. They just need fertilizers to the minerals that they lack. The mineral sensors installed can help the farmers identify the nutrients that lack in the soil and use fertilizers accordingly to increase the productivity. Pest management part of our innovative project not only detects the motion, amount of pests present in the field, it also compares the pest variety based on the past pest events that have been recorded in the system by using the machine learning technology. Image capturing sensors captures the images of the pest and send it to the centralized platform wirelessly. Thermal sensors captures images of the pests that are invisible to naked eye and their life cycle stage. Acoustic sensors help to capture the sound waves of the insects. These information are fed into the system. A cultivator is then able to view the image of their field, which counts off how many pests have been captured in each particular trap, along with its details and historic trends and pesticides used during the past pest advent. It also provides available remedies and that those to use to control the pests during those past advents. Thus, we aim and also implement reducing the reliance on the manual labor, foster eco-friendly farming, and enhance the crop production efficiency.